everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the HP EliteDesk 800G3 tower computer, a renewed machine that promises power and efficiency for both professional and personal use. At the heart of this system is an Intel Core i7-6700 processor, clocking in at 4 GHz. This processor is more than capable of handling demanding tasks, from video editing to running complex simulations. Paired with a generous 32 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze. You can run multiple applications and programs simultaneously without experiencing any lag or slowdown. Storage is handled by a speedy 256 GB solid-state drive. This SSD ensures quick access to your files and programs, significantly reducing boot times and application loading speeds. While 256 GB might not be enough for everyone, it's sufficient for the operating system, essential applications, and frequently used files. For additional storage, you can always add an external hard drive or upgrade the internal storage. Connectivity is a strong point of the EliteDesk 800G3. It features DisplayPort and USB Type-C ports, allowing you to easily connect to multiple displays and peripherals. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adds to its versatility, enabling wireless connectivity for internet access and pairing with other devices. The HP EliteDesk 800G3 comes with Windows 10 Pro, a comprehensive operating system that offers advanced features for business and productivity. Windows 10 Pro includes enhanced security features, remote desktop access, and support for virtualization, making it an excellent choice for professional environments. The dedicated Intel HD Graphics 530 is suitable for everyday tasks and light gaming. While it's not a high-end graphics card, it can handle most productivity applications and some older games without any issues. As a renewed product, the HP EliteDesk 800G3 offers excellent value for money. It provides the performance and features of a high-end desktop at a more affordable price point. While there may be some cosmetic imperfections, these do not affect the functionality of the device. Overall, the HP EliteDesk 800G3 tower computer is a solid choice for anyone looking for a powerful and reliable desktop. Its fast processor, ample RAM, and speedy SSD make it well-suited for demanding tasks, while its comprehensive connectivity options and Windows 10 Pro operating system make it a versatile machine for both professional and personal use. If you need a dependable workstation without breaking the bank, the EliteDesk 800G3 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.